Let's check out the battery replacement procedure of the PKE Remote. Press the slider button on the side of the key fob and pull the key out. Insert the flathead of the screwdriver into the key fob opening slot and upward to open its housing. Use the same technique to open the other side as well. Open the key fob housing and then gently remove the battery. Let's understand the fitment procedure of the CR2032 battery now. That's the battery fitment slot. The plus sign of the battery should be facing down. Slide the battery from back to front. The front end dips first and the rear end needs to be raised while inserting the battery. That's the properly fitted battery with the plus sign facing down. Now let's actually fit the battery. As discussed, while inserting the new battery, slide it from back towards the front. And then put everything back the way it was. Job done.